Sea Fishing Adventures. I'm here with Jason Callister of the Real Isle and Mikey Cooper.
I like you, boy. Yes, yes.
We're out on the boat this morning. Going to cover both tides today and then head back in later on when we get the flat gate. Plan is we are hitting species. That is the plan. So we're going to find some mackerel. That'll take off the first species and a bit of bait. First one.
What's the weather doing today? Have I given lots? What's the weather doing? What's the weather doing, do you know?
Weather?
Yeah.
Northwesterly. First fish of the day. Some knots on the drop then. Right at the bottom, Mikey. Yeah, that's so jig on.
He's cleaning that first, it's all sand in there.
Right, hang on. Straight, is it? So Curtis is actually on holiday in Turkey at the moment, so he'll be shocked that he's missing all of this. Yeah, I think he will. It's our first trip out on Solo 1, so so far so good. We've had the grey.
Yeah.
Octopus counts as well, doesn't it?
Squid does.
Well, I'll be putting the squid dig down.
Squid counts.
Swear what?
Well, just moved spots there again. Mikey's changed up his rig. Species number 6. It's a little bottom wrasse.
See that?
It's Caliderma. Right in close on a little mark here now. flicking a few lures about. And what are you fishing, Mikey? 2 up, 1 down.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'll fish again straight away.
Right, Mikey's into a nice fish here. Hey, Mikey. Shakes. Yeah, what there, mate?
Just me in it.
Just a little bit of bait on. Bluefin, fella.
Little time, man. Where's he coming up the water here? What's going on?
Yeah, I think on that side, watch that up.
Seal?
No way.
But you didn't see that happen, do you? It's coming by the water, look.
Oh, it's toast.
It's toast. Oh, it's their feathers. Yeah, happy on. It's just, if you lift my lid up, it's just, you got I'm surprised it's staying on.
Oh, Jesus. I don't know if you can see that. See how lightly hooked he is there, right in the lip. Just T-bar if you want me.